Hey y'all, this is my nephew's birthday present. FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M Pro 3D printer. It's a pretty cool item. We are currently printing a mobile phone holder with the cat and the little base. It's gonna be cute. The color we're doing is some kind of like metallic blue-green. Very fun. He loves it. He started off with a toy one and then he's going to this one. He's 10 and he can handle it easily. You can hear it's not very loud, which is a plus. This is where the filament goes on the back. We highly recommend this 3D printer. Pretty cool. All right, so we're here. It says that it's complete and how long it took. And she's got, that's the base. Look how cute. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm trying to see in the, oh, look how pretty the color is. Okay, how's it work? Stop it. That is so cute. That is so stinking cute. A little 3D kitty.